I have watched this long video and will summarize it for you, so you can decide if you want to watch it too, with the link in the description. Please like and subscribe. Tom Bilyeu interviewed Jaspreet Singh, the founder of Minority Mindset, to discuss how to build wealth in the upcoming recession. Jaspreet explained that investing in assets that generate equity rather than saving cash is how the wealthy grow their money over time. He discussed buying real estate, starting businesses, and investing in public companies as ways to build equity and wealth. Jaspreet emphasized having a minority mindset of thinking differently than the majority who focus on trading time for money via a paycheck. They explored reasons why recessions create opportunities. As economies decline, asset values fall, allowing prepared investors to buy quality assets at discounted prices. However, recessions hurt those not financially educated as inflation diminishes the value of cash savings. Jaspreet highlighted how currency differs from money in its ability to store value over time. The wealthy convert paper assets to real assets like gold to preserve value. The concept that poverty can be profitable by keeping people ignorant was discussed. Jaspreet explained how lending tools like credit cards and buy now pay later financing lack financial education, exploit the undereducated, and exacerbate wealth inequality. Conversely, the educated can utilize these tools responsibly, hence the importance of access to financial literacy. They touched on how inflation benefits the rich, as rising asset prices increase their wealth. In contrast, salaries don't keep pace with inflation, making average people effectively poorer over time. Jaspreet emphasized assets like stocks and real estate as a hedge. He allocates his investments across businesses, real estate, stocks, crypto, and gold in that priority order. On mindset differences, Jaspreet distinguished between appearing wealthy via material goods versus building true wealth through equity. He encourages matching flashy purchases with equivalent investments. Additionally, he discussed the human tendency to panic sell assets versus having an investor mindset to buy during market declines. On taking risks, Jaspreet was willing to look stupid and fail while learning difficult concepts like money management. Through perseverance, despite discouragement, he has been able to build substantial wealth after starting with little formal financial education. For drive, he taps into wanting to prove doubters wrong. In closing, Jaspreet reiterated that getting rich quick is noisy but unsustainable, whereas slowly building wealth through equity is quiet, yet can create lasting generational wealth. Mastering financial literacy and understanding market psychology helps level the playing field. Consistent investing, rather than perfect timing, wins long-term. That's all for this summary. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, set the notification, and drop me a comment. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.